In the figure above, AB is parallel to GH, and directly show this. Where is AB? And even on the paper, you can use even your normal black color, no problem. It's colorful, but AB is parallel to GH. Okay. Now, they are parallel. So to show that they are parallel. And then DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. Okay. And don't forget, if there is parallelism, there is symmetry. If there are parallel if there are parallel things, most probably you have their similarity questions. Okay, and then I'm still reading. Says that DE is 1 unit. So DE is 1 unit. It's here. And EH is 3 units. So it is here. Okay. And then EG is 2. So it is here. Good. And then HC is 10. So this part is 10. Okay. What is the length of AD? So let me call length of AD is X. Now, I want to start if you are ready. How can it be? So I am looking the question. How could it be? I am thinking. Okay. I can calculate easily EF. But do I need the EF? Let me think. I need or I don't need. Yeah, very good. I found it. Okay, ready? Let me start. Let me start, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Now, I will use parallelism. Since this one, or let me just show to you only this part. Look at now. And this part. And this part. This triangle I am looking. So in this triangle, can I say 2 over 2 plus 3 equals EF, which is here, over HC. Check it, please, this one. Can we say or not? Remember the rule. If the bases are parallel, this one divided this one divided this one divided this one. There is angle similarity. I am not saying now this angle almost equal to this one, so this angle almost equal to this one, so this is the common. No need. Just when you have bases are parallel to each other, so we have a proportion between the side. So by calculating this, 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 over 5 is equal EF over 10. Even I can simplify here directly, but if you don't see, just do it. 2 times 10, 5 times EF. So 10 and 5 simplify. This is 2. So 4 is equal to EF. Do we have any question? How did we find EF? Check it. Any question? How to find EF? Do we have questions
No.
to me?
No.
Now, dear ladies, I use this parallelism which it was given. Now, the second one, remember, this one was parallel to this one. If something is given, most probably we will use this in geometry. I mean, in geometry question, We don't have in general extra information. What is needed, they are giving us. So the question is, find x. And so by using this, can I say right now, this triangle, they are parallel to each other, since given, and I know this side length, which is 4, right now calculated. So be careful, what am I going to say? 4 divided by 4 plus 1 equals this over this, but I will not use since it is useless and there is no number, but continue this one divided by this one, which is 2 divided by x. Can we say?
Yeah.
So, and then it is finished. Why finished? 4 times x, 2 times 5. So x is 5 over 2, 2.5. That's it. Not simple question. Difficult.
No, yeah, it's very difficult.
This is difficult question, to be honest. Not simple.
Could you please explain the last part again? How
Last
we found
part, okay. But how can I draw clean this? Do I have eraser here? Or let me undo 1 minute. I can't find it. Control N, control. Yeah, this was the question. Now, so it was clear we found this. What was this? Remember? 4, I think. This is 4 we found. Now, what am I going to say? This is parallel to this is given. So when I look at this triangle, what can I say? I can say this. 4 divided by 4 plus 1 equals 2 divided by AD, which is x. And then cross product. 4 times length of AD, 2 times 5. So length of AD is 2 times 5 divided by 4. 10 over 4, or just simplify 5 over 2. That's it. The thing is this. We should know this rule. When you have a big triangle, when you draw a parallel line to the base, so if you have A, B, C, D, E, F, the rules say this. A over A plus B equals C over C plus D equals E over F. But how comes out these rules? Simple, just angles. If this is alpha, this must be alpha. Why? They are parallel. If this is beta, this must be beta, parallel. This is vertex angle, call it theta. So in small triangle, opposite of theta, you have E, so here, divided by in big triangle, opposite of theta, which is F, E over F, equals, in small triangle, opposite of beta, A, here, in big triangle, opposite of beta, big triangle, we are talking A plus B. And opposite of this angle, alpha, C. Now, in the big triangle, opposite of alpha is C plus D. That's it, nothing else. Okay? Good, enough. You can watch this later, and then, inshallah, you can understand if there is still problems. Now, let's go. We did this one, I remember. This one, did we do?
No, we didn't.
Let's try.
No, we didn't.
We did?
No, we didn't. I said we didn't.
We didn't. Okay. Since it says triangle, let's draw. The lengths of three sides of triangle X, Y, Z. I don't know. How are they? Let me put X, Y, Z. Not important order. If X, Y, Z are integers, yes, it is important. What is integers means? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even 0, but 0 cannot be, since 0 length means nothing, but this is something, so a triangle. And perimeter of triangle is 10. Wait here. Perimeter means X plus Y plus Z, so which is 10. What is the greatest possible value of Z? What could it be maximum Z? Understand the question?
Yeah.
Just this rule, ladies.
Scroll up a
Z
bit.
is less than X plus Y, greater than Y minus X. But how? Just let me try. If I am saying this is the answer, if I am saying this is the answer. So what will be X plus Y?
4 plus 3.
What will be X plus Y? It will be 3, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So X plus Y 3. Why? Since perimeter is 10, if this is 7, this is 3. So the rule says, be careful. Z is, we said 7, X plus Y is 3. Is it possible?
No.
Oh,
So pass this. It's not. Say it's 6. If Z is 6. Now what is X plus Y? 4. 6 less than 4. Possible? No.
No.
If 5. If this is 5, this is also 5. So 5 is less than 5?
no.
No. If 4, 4 is less than, since this is 4, what is left for X plus Y? 6.
Yeah.
And then it's not important, since there is only one case which is satisfies directly. But you can say that Y minus X must be less than 4. We can prove, we can talk about this, but no need. Finished. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just trying, nothing else. If you don't want to try, you should write inequalities. Z is less than X plus Y, greater than X minus Y, and then X is less than Y plus Z, less than Y minus Z, and that Y is less than X plus Z, and let's say Z minus X. Let me say Z minus Y. And then what could it be? Even you can add all of them, X, Y, Z, which will be 10. So 10 is less than X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, 2 times X plus Y plus Z, which is 20, and less than negative 2Y, this positive X, negative X, 0. So it will be 2 times Z minus Y. So Z minus Y less than 5. And then what can you do? So Z is less than 5 plus Y. What could it be then? Since it is less than 5 plus something, if Y is 1, less than 6, so less than 6, it could be 5, but if it's 5, we try, it's not satisfied, so it is 4. It's complicated, it's very long. There could be lots of mistakes, but the way what I told you, so simple. And it doesn't take, I think, more than 1 minute. You will do this quickly in your mind. Okay? What about question number? Let's talk question number. Can you try the question number 16 by yourself? And can you put to the chat screen the answer to the chat screen? Similar triangle, try to find.
So, sir, we can say that CDE and CAB is the same thing, right?
CDE and CAB similar, yes.
Yes, similar, sorry.
But use directly. Don't for, I mean, no need to angles. When you have a triangle, if you have something parallel to the base, so 90-90 means parallel. So directly, this rule.
So, sir, we can say that C over D and C over E and C over 6, something like that, right? Sir?
Just think a bit. Ham says something, okay. And let me help you also something. When you have this one, Ahmed, these are given. Can you talk about this one? What will be answer?
Mr. I have a question.
Directly 15, right? Or use the Pythagorean theorem. Yes, what is your question?
Mr. Is CD equals to CE?
One more time.
Is CD equals to CE?
No, does it say? And can it be? No. Why? C is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always the biggest side. But I think it's finished. Okay, let me solve this.
So, sir,
Let me
but
solve.
15 couldn't be the answer, right? There's nothing 15 there, so 15 is not the answer, right?
Okay, let me solve it, okay? Let me solve it. Look at the solution, please. Look at. First of all, this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. If I call this is alpha, 90 alpha, something is, let me say something beta. So this total is 180. Is it true? 90
Yes.
plus alpha plus beta, 180.
Yes.
For this triangle. When you look at the big triangle, 90 here, alpha here. So total it must be 180. For that reason, this must be, tell me, what should it be? Beta?
Better, yeah, same thing.
If 90 plus alpha, beta is 180. Or I can even say like this. So they are parallel. Why they are parallel? Since it is 90 degrees. This is 90, this is 90. How could it be if they are parallel? Otherwise, it's not possible. And then, now the question says that this is 12. This is 9. This is x. This part is x. Now I am asking to you, if one side is 12, other side is 9, and it's 90 degrees, what will be this big side? Do you remember any rule? Pythagorean theorem?
Yes, sir, like A squared plus B
B
squared equals.
squared is 12 squared plus 9 squared, which is 15. How 15? Let me tell you another rule. 3K, 4K, 5K rule. What does it mean? If K, to get 9, K must be 3. 3 times 3, 9. K is 3. 3 times 4, 12. So 9, 12, 9, 12 satisfy. It means this must be 5 times 3, which is 15 directly. Practical rule. But anyway, you can use Pythagorean theorem if you don't know this way. Okay, and then I can finish the question. Why I can finish the question? In small triangle, guys, opposite of 90 degrees x. In big triangle, what is opposite of 90 degrees?
CB.
So 15. In small triangle, opposite of this is not given.
Mr. I mean 6. There's 6.
This is given, yeah. Now it's okay. Opposite of alpha in small triangle 6. Opposite of alpha in big triangle, 9. Cross product. That's it. X times 9, 15 times 6. So X is 15 times 6 over 9. Simplify. 9 is divided by 3, 3. 6 is divided by 3, 2. 3 is divided by 3, 1. 15 is divided by 3, 5. So X equals 5 times 2. So it is 10.
Sir, I found it in a different way. Can I?
Could be. How is it? Tell me.
First, I got here 8 because of the rule A over A plus B
Okay, good.
equals the other one, 6 over 9. And then I found 8, then I did the Pythagorean theorem. And
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, I did the same way.
Calculate first this one. And then by using the triangle, you calculate X. That's also possible. Okay, let me explain quickly, other friends, quickly, the way. In geometry, actually in mathematics, there are lots of ways. So which one is good for you? Go for it. So this is now 12. This is now 9. Now this is all you say. What was
12.
it? AB
12.
6, not 12. AB 6. So this is, let me clean and read carefully what's going on. So AC is 12 and DE is 6. CE is X. AB is 9. Okay, so tell me one more time. How did you find this? But this is extra work needed. Why extra work needed? You should call, for example, if this is A, this is 12 minus A. So A over 12 minus A is equal to 6 over 9.
Mr. White,
No, sir.
without 12 minus A.
Yeah.
Because
Without?
it's already A plus B. No need, yeah, we already have 12, it's given.
Huh. Okay, sorry.
Can use the ratio.
Yeah, you are right, you are right. This is also right, but no, this is not right. A over 12, not 12 minus A, you are right. So now we will say directly 12. So then A times 9, 6 times 12, divide by 9, divide by 9. So A is equal to by 3, 2, by 3, 3, by 3, 1, by 3, 4, 8. Now, when this is 8, spatial triangle, 6 means 3 times 2. 8 means 4 times 2. X is 5 times 2, so 10. Finished. Or 8 squared plus 6 squared is X squared, so X is 10. Very good. Two different ways we have seen. What is that? We can draw, I don't know. I didn't read all the questions, but let me draw. A, B, C. In isosceles triangle ABC, BC is the shortest side. BC is the shortest side. What does it mean? These two sides are equal to each other. Why? If, something is shortest, other two must be equal to each other. Now, if the degree measure of A, where is it here? Multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. So X times 10. What is the smallest possible value of B? What could it be B? Now, my dears, I want to just ask you something. If this is isosceles triangle, can I say that these two angles are equal to each other?
Yes.
Yes, sir, you can say
And
that.
then there are lots of ways, but I don't want to use just trying method. This is best way for you. Try it 60. If B is 60, this is 60. 60 plus 60, tell me?
120.
120. So 180 minus 120
60.
is 60. So 1 minute now. If this is 60, yes, 60 is multiple of 10. But in this case, they all will be equal to each other. But it says smallest. Where was it? shortest side. There is no shortest side. All the sides are equal.
Yes.
So this is cannot be. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, so which one should be shortest side?
Shortest side, it says here, look, BC.
Ah, okay, sir.
BC.
Thank you. Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so what am I going to do? Let me draw again here. So this is shortest one. So the other two are equal to each other. So if the answer is 65, if answer is 65, 65 and 65, tell me.
130.
130. So what is left? 50, right? Is 50 is multiple of 10? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So since this is the shortest side, be careful now. Small angle, small side, big angle, big side. So there is no contradiction. This could be answer. It's okay. But to be sure, I am checking 70. If this is 70, if this is 70, 70 and 70, 140. What is left? 40.
40.
Is it possible 40 is less, others big? Yes, this is also possible. And then if 75, 150, this is 30. This is also possible. Now the question says that what is the smallest possible of B? Which one is the smallest? They are all possible. Which
70?
one?
So is it, which one was it? 70 was it?
No, which
So,
one is small?
75.
75.
75.
55.
This is right.
Yeah, see,
That's it.
Sir,
But one more time, let me explain what did I do, guys.
they're asking for the smallest possible one.
no, but what I'm trying to say is that, for example, if we take 75, it will be 115. Only 30 will be left. So won't that be smallest in that way?
Let's take it 1 minute. So this is now our case, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the shortest side. So here angle, isosceles. So if the answer is, you said 70?
75.
75. This is 75. So 100, tell me.
150.
50. So what is left?
30.
30. So is this a regular triangle or not? Yes, this is a triangle.
Yeah.
Only the condition, what it says. Ahmed, you are right. Sorry.
I'm saying this one. Yeah, 30 is the smallest.
Sorry. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you. Look
No
at
problem, no
everybody.
problem.
Look at the condition. It says that. Where is it? 1 minute. Short.
Smallest possible measure.
No. A is multiple of 10. So I am right. No, Ahmed. Thank you again. No problem. But
No
A is
problem.
multiple of 10. So A is this. Is this now multiple of 10?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is satisfied.
but they're asking for the smallest measurement of angle B.
I mean, it is satisfied. Sorry. 75 satisfy. So I am saying that what about 65 satisfy or not? And maybe better to start the minimum angle, right? So we start with the 60 and we said it is not. After 60, 65. So 65 satisfy or not?
Yes, it does.
65, 130, so 50. That's it, finished. Why finished? Small angle, small size. So the question says this is the shortest. So big angle, big side. So that's it. The answer is 65.
Sir, if it says the smallest possible angle, then it would have been A, right?
I mean,
Smallest
Ahmed,
possible angle for A.
what am I doing?
Because, sir, 30 is also the smallest if you think in that way, right? Like that, all
Yes.
of them.
The angle of A, not the angle of B. They're asking for the smallest measurement of angle B.
Yeah,
Yeah,
So it's okay, right? There is no problem. The
Okay,
answer
okay.
is C.
that's correct, sir.
Come on. Now it is late now. Maybe I'm not understanding the questions. Maybe you are, it's normal. You check it again, but I think it was okay. Now,
Okay.
this is excellent question. It's a SAT type question, good question, 18. Two poles represented by XW and YZ. XW, YZ. Above are 15 feet apart. So between X and Y, there is 15. One is 20 feet, the other is 12. So everything is given on the figure. Now, a rope, we know what this rope means, joins the top of one pole to the top of the other. So where is the top? Is this the top?
Yes.
This is the top. So
Yes.
we are using a rope and we are joining them.
Or
Question,
make a triangle of it.
what is the length of the rope? So if I call X, question, what is X? That's it. So what am I going to do? It is extremely simple question. Look,
Sir, you can make a triangle out of it.
look at now. Draw a parallel line. Since these two things are right now parallel, since this is 90 and 90, this is 90, this is 90. So this is rectangle. If this is 12, this is 12. So it was totally 20 till here 12. So what is left? 8. It was now 15. So opposite is also 15. And now this is spatial triangle. If you know, the answer is directly 17. If you don't know, 8 squared plus 15 squared is equal to x squared. 64 plus 225 x squared. 459, 628, 289 is x squared. So after that, what can you do? X is equal to root 289. Which one could be answered? If you don't know, if you don't have calculator, guys, let's be smart. I will multiply a number by itself and the units digit will be 9. So 2 times 2, I mean 12 times 12, 2 times 2, 4, it's not 9, so it cannot be resolved. 8 times 8, units digits I am talking, 64, it cannot be. 19 times 19, it could be. Why? 9 and 9, 81, so it's finishing 1. 17 and 17, one, do I have a mistake? Am I making a mistake? Okay, anyway, let me calculate. 289. What is the 289? How can I do this?
17.
Is it
17.
17, 17? It should be. Let me check.
It is
11, right?
yes.
Yeah, as I guess, 289. So, why I'm saying 81? 1 minute. Yeah, 19, 19, it's not possible. Okay, 19 and 19 is 81. So ending with 1, but it must end with 9. So it is not possible. But 17, only one alternative. 7 and 7, 49. 49 ends with 9, so it could be answered. So I tried and I have seen, yes, it is. But if I were you, I memorize this one. 8K, 15K, 17K. If K is 1, 8, 15, 17. If K is 2, 16, 30, 34. If K is 3, 24, 45, whatever, 51. Okay, these are spatial triangles. 3, 4, 5, 3K, 4K, 5K. And what was the previous question we solved maybe? 5, 12, 13. This one probably. Yes, this one. And this one. 3 is enough. 8, 15, and 17. Okay, enough. Let us pass. What about question number 20? Any idea?
Question number 20, sir, the Pythagorean theorem, sir.
That's it. Or spatial triangle. 8 means 4 times 2. So this could be 3 times 2. This could be 5 times 2. Let's check. 3 times 2, 6. X is 6. If X is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. No. Why no?
It can't be
Means
because
this is also 8. This 2, 8? No, it's not possible. So this is not spatial triangle. We prove this is not. So Pythagorean theorem, as you said, 8 squared plus x squared is equal to x plus 2 parenthesis square. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. These and this simplify. 64 minus 4 is 6x, 4x, sorry. So 60 is 4 times x. 60 over 4 is only 1x. So 30 over 2, 30 over 2,
Sir.
right? X is 15. So
Yes, sir.
X is 15. Oh my God, this is also spatial triangle. You see,
Oh,
8,
yeah.
15, 17.
Yeah,
That's it. Okay, this question can you try by yourself quickly? Or let me help. If I draw this
yeah, we could draw that and then
24, it
yeah.
was, what is the perimeter of the triposite? Now, oh, a little bit problem. Yeah, no problem. We can solve it. I have to find this one, guys. How can I find if I call,
Pythagorean theorem, sir.
yeah, 24 square
Plus x square equals 25
plus
square.
a square is 25 square. So a square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. This is the identity, so I can use this, or you can directly calculate. So it will be 1 times 49, so 49. So a is 7. When you calculate a is 7, so total it was 35. 35 minus 7 will be 28. So this is now 28. What is the triposite's perimeter? 35, 25, 28, 24. So if we add them side by side, it will be result.
It's C.
112. Yeah, finished. Understand how did I solve the question? One more time. All the
So I
sides
didn't
are
understand
given.
the 7 part when we got 7.
This is not given. So to find this, I can draw. So these two sides are equal. But what is this? Totally this is given. So if I find this part from the total, if I subtract, I will find this. To find this one, by the way, opposite sides are equal. So if I call A, calculate A, and then result comes out. Now, this is important question. Let's study next week. Okay, this is the last.
Triangle or so many
This
questions.
is the last question. Let's say 21. So the others we can continue inshallah next week. 21. In the figure, above ABCD is square. Very good. If it's square, 90 degrees everywhere we have. And all the side lengths are equal. And a square side of 3. Good. So this is now all 3. This is now all 3. 3 and 3. And then AW is equal AZ. Where is it? This is equal to this. And it is 1. Oh my God. If this is 1, if this is 1, 2 left, 2 left. And then AZ is CX. CX.
Sir, how do you know it's 3 in total?
Given.
Sorry. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Given, right?
Yes, given.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
So now 1, 2, 1, 2. And then AZ is CX. Where is CX? CX is equal to CY is equal 1. So this is 1, this is 1. So this is 2, this is 2. So what is left? Everything is given now. What is question? Perimeter of WXYZ. This one. Now, only one simple rule.
Sir, why drawing a rectangle?
What is this? Do you remember?
Triangle.
Is this?
Special triangle.
Do you remember this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Isosceles right triangle. A root 2. So 1, 1, 1 times root 2. 1, 1, 1 times root 2. 2,
Sir,
2, 2 times root 2. 2, 2, 2 times root 2. Finished.
Sir, this is a rectangle, not a triangle.
This is triangle.
No, but
This
in
is
the question,
yes.
how can you use the triangle formula in the rectangle?
Okay, let me show you again. Again.
Okay.
Let's make it bigger to see. Now, just tell me it's okay or not till here.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now,
Yeah.
it's okay? And
Yeah,
is
okay.
it okay?
That's okay. That's okay.
Is it okay?
These triangles. Okay.
Right now, is this a triangle? 2,
Yes.
2. So this side is now hypotenuse of the triangle. So which is 2 times root 2.
Okay.
2 hypotenuse, opposite of 90. 2 times root 2. 1 hypotenuse, 1 times.
Root 1.
And then what is the perimeter? Means 2 root 2, 2 root 2, root 2, root 2. We will add them. Okay, that's it. So how many? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 times root 2. Do we have?
Yep. C.
Tamam.